Hey travel friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we are checking off something big on our list of things we want to experience before our kids grow up on us. We're spending the night at the Ice Hotel and creating memories that'll last far longer than, well, I guess the hotel itself. Now there are a few different ice hotels in the world, but Hotel De Glace is the only ice hotel in North America. Hotel de Glace is located 40 minutes north in the heart of French Canada in beautiful Quebec City. And if you're thinking frozen tundra only accessible by snowmobile or moose, you'd be wrong. So this is the Ice Hotel, and if you can't tough it out, you're also paying for a room here across the street. So, well, no street, but... So we check ourselves into the Hotel Valcartier. Room rates for the Ice Hotel includes a second room here. This is your place to shower, warm up, and store your stuff, and it's here if you need to bail on the whole sleeping on a bed of ice thing. Now 100%, if you make the trip up here, you need to tack on a couple of non-Ice Hotel days here at Valcartier. This resort has everything: shopping, lots of dining options, entertainment, epic snow tubing, and their indoor water park, Bora Park. It's 100,000 square feet of summer fun, even in the middle of the cold Canadian winter. Now over to the Ice Hotel. This feels like a frozen fairy tale. Hotel de Glace is a stunning seasonal hotel that offers a unique, once-in-a-lifetime experience. This masterpiece is rebuilt every winter using snow and ice, combining artistic creativity and architectural integrity. Oh, and I should mention, this is their first night of the season, so fingers crossed that it's solid through and through. Tonight is opening night, January 7th, and they typically operate until late March, depending on the weather, of course. Each year, the hotel is constructed with a new theme. This year, it's Indigenous Nations of Quebec, making every visit unique. Professional artists and sculptors are invited to carve intricate designs into the walls, furniture, and ice. The process begins months before and starts with large metal molds used to create arches and domes. Snow is sprayed over these molds and left to harden. They're then removed, and then comes the detailing with chisels and chainsaws, and the embedding of LED lights that help create a magical glowing ambiance. Is it really warm? Can you feel heat?
Yeah.
Wow. You're standing by a fire in the Ice Hotel.
Cool.
The Hotel de Glace offers a variety of rooms and suites. Some suites even have their own fireplaces and outdoor patios with hot tubs and saunas, and no two rooms look alike. This is the Ice Hotel's equally famous ice bar. The glasses here are made of ice, and the vodka goes down very smooth. A little too smooth. You gotta be careful not to have too many, because you don't want to break the seal and have to go to the bathroom every 15 minutes, because you got a lot of gear on when you're in here. What you got, Beebs?
Coke.
Coke in an ice glass?
Yeah.
They also have a stunning ice chapel, often used for weddings and vow renewals. The chapel's gorgeous, soft lights shine on the pristine ice. It's a wonder to behold. The kids' nice sauna and hot tub under the stars in 12-degree weather. So what do you like best about the Ice Hotel, Marco?
I like how every single room has its own complete cool design theme.
Yeah,
So,
me too. Even the little standard rooms, have some ice carving.
Yeah.
It's going to be really tough getting out of this water, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
You want to get out?
Watch this.
Alright, just got out of the hot tub and the sauna, and so we are steaming still, so this is okay.
Yeah.
Are you freezing your butt off?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. So we are the very first guests of the season for the Ice Hotel. And being first is awesome, but you run the risk of not everything being done. And first day, the restaurant is not open yet. Little disappointed, but we weren't going to eat there anyways because I believe it's $250 a person. So we weren't going to do that. And I think it's sponsored by that big La Frontenac Hotel in Quebec City. So I'm sure it's fantastic. So we're going to sneak past the rope and just take a peek. Be my lookout. So yes, the Hotel De Glace restaurant is by Fairmont La Chateau Frontenac. Now I'm sure this unique culinary and winter experience is totally worth its hefty price tag. It's a 3-course set menu, but heck no, not with kids. Now it's getting late and it's time to find our room. So we're Suite 14, the standard room. Oh, we got ice carvings. That's nice. Look at, she's blowing a dandelion. I like our room.
Whoa.
This is not just a square.
No. We got nightstands.
What is have the switch?
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Fresh tacos, don't get them wet. Now there is a short instructional video on how to sleep comfy on their website, but it is in French, but we got the gist of it. Guests are given sleeping bags suitable for Arctic exploring. Wool socks are best, cotton holds moisture, and moisture is the enemy when sleeping in these conditions. You're actually instructed to take off coats, boots, and multiple layers so your body doesn't sweat in the night, creating moisture. All the way down, all the way down. Hi, Beeps. Are you going to be warm enough for a whole night?
Yeah. Unless the roof collapses.
I think we're going to be fine. It seems pretty stable.
Good.
You're really nice, thank you.
Sure. Gotta say, this is probably the most extended tucking in I've ever had to do in my life.
I'm here in the hotel. I slept wonderfully over there. It was super warm. But I had to go to the bathroom at 4 a.m, and by the time I unzipped my warm cocoon and was back in the freezing air and kind of left all my stuff open on my bed, I couldn't zip myself back up and get into the same comfortable position. So family's still over there. Yeah, I'm proud of them. You're officially an Eskimo now. You did so good. All right, this is not an ad. We do not get paid by this company, but I'll team up with you, North Face. Holy smokes, these are the best sleeping bags on the planet.
Yeah, get back in there, little worm.
Alec, what do you want to tell your friends back at school about what an ice hotel feels like to sleep in?
Always bring an extra piece of clothes.
Bring extra clothes. Why? Why do we have to bring extra clothes, Alec?
Yeah, you might get it wet.
Because you might get it wet, and you did about the whole entire trip, didn't you, Beebs? Couldn't stop playing in the snow, and all our gear we used lots of hair dryers at hotels to...
He was like a golden retriever. In any water he would find, he could...
Yeah. Marmo, I brought you a present.
Yeah.
Hand warmers.
Yeah.
You know what I've learned from this vacation? Or at least from last night?
What?
We can lower the heat in the house by a lot.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.